Scan to unlock Sovi and ace your tests. Workers stopped job hunting, so watch this quick economics move. One definition change flips both the labor force count and the unemployment rate fast. If unemployed workers give up looking for work, they are no longer counted as unemployed, because official unemployment only includes people without jobs who are actively searching right now. That also means they leave the labor force entirely, since the labor force equals employed people plus unemployed people actively looking, and these workers are no longer searching. Now, the key result, fewer people are counted unemployed, and the labor force gets smaller too, so the unemployment rate decreases, making option B correct. Well done! Option B. Scan now, watch signs, avoid rushing, trust given definitions, and check steps so you track who counts in unemployment and labor.